What's happening, people? Man Like Big Show. I've got a couple of things to try today. I've got a Carolan chicken naan. It's like a sandwich type thing from Co-op. Give that a go. And I've got a Korean style fried chicken bucket from Sainsbury's. Let's open it up so you can see it. And that looks alright. It's pretty bang, to be fair. Let's get straight in there and try that. Oh, that's nice. Lovely big chunks of chicken. It's got sesame seeds, poppy seeds, spring onions. Got some chilli there. I think I can taste honey. It's got a sweet hint. Yeah, that's really nice. Oh yeah. Okay, I'll have one more. That's really good. Look at the size of the chicken. Just big chunks of chicken. Beautiful. I'll give that 9 out of 10. Let's try this. Carolan chicken. Naan. Look at that. Chunks of meat in there. Oh, it's all coming outside. Let's try it. Okay. Of course, packed full of flavour, that is. Real Indian spices. I just had a big chunk of chicken. Lovely bits of vegetable in there, like tomato, cucumber. That's really good. Definitely a better alternative to a normal boring sandwich. For a sandwich, like, I know it's not gourmet food or anything, but I'm going to give that 9 out of 10. Really nice.